Hello and welcome to the 2019 Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show. I am here with Tad Whitten from Mercury Marine. And Tad, would you give us a little rundown on what's new for Mercury this year?
Well, again, Lisa, thanks for coming and see us. We always love our friends from MarineMax, but we have so much to talk about at Mercury Marine. Here in this part of the display, we have a display at the convention center, and then here, a little hot right now, but about 3 o'clock, we're in the nicest shade. But we have everything from our new Great White motor, that is our 200 to 300 horse platform. We have our new 450 horse outboard, which is just a rock star. You can't hardly even get one. In fact, I want one and I can't even get one yet. But we have that. We have some of our inflatables here. Well, we have one of our tour trucks. This is going to have everything from joystick piloting to vessel view mobile to active trim, all of the new electronics products, and the connectivity between your smartphone and your engine and your boat today is continuing to get tighter and tighter and tighter. So life just starts when you get onto the water. But again, your cell phone becomes a remote set of gauges and an active tool. We've got some of our diesel engines, we've got some of our Zeus pods here. So really, pretty much everything in the whole Mercury family is right here that we can talk about. Even if you have a technical question, you want to talk about Grandpa's old outboard motor, we're glad to visit with you.
That's awesome. Definitely make it down to the Mercury display and check this out. You have to be here to see it all. I mean, we're hearing that from a lot more people, that everything's being a little bit more integrated. It's technology, easy to access on your phone. So if you have technical questions, come visit Tad, and we'll see you at the Fort Lauderdale International Boat Show.